people. So I have come to this nice place on the Malampet Road, which is called which is right next to Sri Balaji Sweet House, and for 50 bucks I get this amazing masala Mosambi juice. And take a look at the kind of fruits, and I wish there was a menu card. It's normally just they have it. यहाँ पे मेनू कार्ड है भैया? अच्छा, वहाँ पे चिपका हुआ जो है बाहर निकाल देना। अच्छा, नहीं, अच्छा कोई कार्ड ऐसे नहीं है ना? करेक्ट। So this is how it looks. हाँ, if you were to take a look. So watermelon you get for just 30, badam milk is for 40, and pomegranate 50, dry fruit salad. This is, और ये सरजा क्या होता है?
ओ मैम, बॉर्नविटा, मिल्क, शक्कर, आइसक्रीम।
और वाह, सरजा मैं पहली बार सुन। अरे, और ये फ्रूट सैलेड लिक्विड। अच्छा, फ्रूट सैलेड भी मिलता है यहाँ पे। So this is amazing, people. If you all are ever on the Malampet Road, you all should visit this place. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.